Hello landlords, NRIs, and property managers. If you've ever received a late-night call about leaking pipe or a message about a broken geyser, you already understand how important it is to handle maintenance requests effectively. In India's dynamic rental market, especially in metros like Bengaluru, Pune, and Hyderabad, tenant satisfaction depends heavily on how you manage property maintenance. Efficient and prompt maintenance not only fixes problems, but also builds tenant trust and long-term value. Whether you're managing properties remotely or in person, this video will help you adopt a structured and professional approach to resolving maintenance concerns while improving tenant retention. Let's explore how to stay stress-free and responsive with smart property maintenance solutions. 1. Establish clear maintenance guidelines from the start. A smooth maintenance journey starts before the first issue arises. When a tenant moves in, take the time to explain how the maintenance process works. Who should they contact for repairs? Is there a dedicated WhatsApp number or online form? What qualifies as an emergency versus a routine issue? Landlords in India often skip this essential step, which can lead to miscommunication or disputes later on. By clearly defining the process and responsibilities up front, tenants feel confident about what to do, and landlords can prevent misunderstandings and unnecessary escalations. 2. Implement a centralized maintenance tracking system. Scattered calls and scribbled notes no longer cut it. A centralized tracking system, whether it's a property management portal, shared form, or WhatsApp group, makes property maintenance streamlined. NRIs managing rental properties in India find such tools particularly helpful as they provide real-time visibility. You'll know when an issue was reported, when action was taken, and when it was resolved. It increases accountability, ensures tenant concerns are addressed, and gives landlords complete control over the maintenance workflow. 3. Prioritize requests based on severity. Not every maintenance request is equally urgent. A stuck drawer doesn't require the same response as a water leak during monsoon. Create a system that categorizes issues as urgent, medium, or low priority. Water-related problems, gas leaks, and electrical faults should be treated with top urgency, especially in Indian homes where such issues can disrupt daily life. Prioritizing helps allocate time and resources efficiently while showing tenants that their comfort matters to you. 4. Build a dependable network of service providers. Your ability to respond swiftly to maintenance requests depends entirely on your team of vendors. Having a trusted network of electricians, plumbers, carpenters, and handymen is essential. These professionals must not only be skilled, but also punctual and courteous while interacting with tenants. For NRIs or landlords managing properties remotely, this network becomes your on-ground support system. Choose vendors who are consistent and understand the expectations of managing rental properties in Indian metros. 5. Communicate quickly and clearly. When a tenant raises a maintenance request, your communication sets the tone. A prompt message like, "We've received your request and a technician will visit tomorrow," reassures the tenant immediately. Even if the issue can't be resolved right away, updates, however brief, show that you're responsive. Silence leads to frustration, while even a short message can demonstrate professionalism. Regular communication is a cornerstone of tenant satisfaction in rental property management. 6. Maintain accurate maintenance records. Treat every maintenance request as part of a larger property history. Keeping detailed records of reported issues, vendor actions, and completion dates can help identify recurring problems. This is useful during inspections, especially when there are disagreements about deposit deductions or damage claims. In cities like Bengaluru, such records can protect you in case of disputes over tenant responsibilities. Comprehensive documentation adds a layer of transparency and helps build trust. 7. Conduct preventive maintenance regularly. Don't wait for things to break. Proactive maintenance, such as regular checks of plumbing, wiring, and appliances, reduces emergencies and keeps the property in good shape. This is especially valuable in older homes or during seasonal changes like monsoon or winter. 4. NRIs. Preventive care is a smart way to maintain property value from afar. A professional property management company can assist with scheduled inspections to avoid future repair headaches. 8. Respect tenant privacy during repairs. Privacy during repairs is an often overlooked aspect of property maintenance in India. Tenants are more at ease when they know in advance who's coming and when. Always inform them about upcoming visits and confirm a convenient time slot. Repair personnel should be briefed to behave respectfully, especially when entering occupied spaces. This small step goes a long way in enhancing tenant comfort and creating a respectful landlord-tenant relationship. 9. Always follow up after work is completed. Once a repair is done, your job isn't finished. Following up with a message like, "Is everything resolved to your satisfaction?" shows that you care about the tenant experience. It also gives tenants a chance to report any lingering issues without hesitation. Regular follow-ups not only improve the quality of maintenance, but also demonstrate a high level of professionalism, whether done manually or through automated systems. Post-repair communication improves tenant retention. 10. Analyze feedback and improve continuously. Each maintenance request holds valuable insight. Over time, you'll notice patterns, whether certain vendors underperform or one property has more issues than others. Use this data for regular reviews of vendor performance, tenant satisfaction, and overall maintenance costs. If you manage multiple properties, quarterly analytics can help you optimize resources and fine-tune your property management strategy. NRIs should request such updates from their property managers for smarter decision-making. Bonus tip: prepare for emergencies with a ready protocol. Emergency maintenance situations, like flooding, electrical outages, or gas leaks, require swift and calm responses. Have a 24/7 protocol in place with local backup vendors or security contacts to manage such crises, especially if you are in a different time zone. A well-prepared emergency plan builds tenant trust and reduces panic during critical situations. Proactive emergency planning is a must for every serious property manager. If you're a landlord or NRI looking to improve your maintenance management and tenant satisfaction, start applying these simple but powerful strategies today. A proactive and professional approach to property maintenance not only protects your assets, but also fosters long-term tenant relationships. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any questions about rental property management in India, from maintenance and tenant issues to working with a trusted property management partner, leave your questions in the comments below. We're here to help you manage smarter.